Oh my God. It's okay. Hello. Ow! 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 Oh, no. Why is he biting her?
Look like little ass kicker the barn cat is stealing this baby goat's milk, but he's in charge of quality control, so he's testing it for perfect temperature and milk.
Carinha dela. Ai, meu Deus do céu.
She's like, hi.
Yola. Try to.
Neldy! Acende meu gulau!
2 cookies, and I don't have any.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
He probably won't even bite you but one time.
What are you doing?
Why is he biting her?
Good. Now slowly pick it up. And that, my friend, is how you ride your bike with your pet.
What are you doing?
This. No, you'll step. No!
Who did?
Bad dog.
Oh, I'm dead.
You just knocked my donut out of my hand.
Daughter.
Oh!
I got the
You're okay.
You know what you're doing right now? You're pissing me off.
You hungry?
Oh, how did you lose it already? Oh no, there it is at the back.
I'm sorry. You'll get to go first next time.
Okay. Bye, donkey. Bye, Newt. Dang, he's...
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job.
Good. Now slowly pick it up. And that, my friend, is how you ride your bike with your pet.
Let it go, baby.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Turkey. God help me.
You got it. Penny's excited.
XL bully.
Huh?
My gosh. Oh, good morning. Oh my god. Oh, it's a monkey o'clock. Is the cactus your best friend?
Back here. Good. Now, scratch my butt. Yes. That's it. Good human.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You.
No!
Little black, hang on. Oh.
No! No! Eh!
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You.
She's gonna poop on your covers.
Yes, I want new colors.
Kevin, she's a baby just like you. She doesn't have any milk.
Head.
Well, what if she tries to come in? Do I shut it?
Yeah,
She's not supposed to come in here, right?
it's okay.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Și să mi-i plicunesc cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și...
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why?
You want more? Okay.
You know what you're doing right now? You're pissing me off.
You hungry?
Get away from my water.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
Why are you up there?
Can you open the gate? Yes! Open it up!
Why are you up there?
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
Mowgli, sunt burunii bun, mamă.
No. Nope.
Moo?
Oh my god!
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Literally thinks she's a dog. For sure. Viene contigo, te va a comer.
Hi, Stuart. Yes!
Big scratches.
Can you get out? Bro. Yo! We making this a...
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Oh, you found your moo.
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
No. Like, seriously.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Good boy.
He's pooping again.
You want more? Okay. There you go.
Door. Yes!
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Oh. You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Belong in there. I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we...
Mother loves swinging on the swing.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
You are a fox. Funny.
Hey. Hey!
Literally thinks she's a dog. For sure.
Look at that girl.
Okay.
Seems to be yours, so.
You're going in the.
No. Like, seriously.
Wait, do the thing. Oh my god.
Those were her hands.
Are you happy, Kermit? I am too.
I'm a little unsure if that's yours. I mean, doesn't really look like you, but...
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Oh.
Beaker, do you want Cheerios?
You're fine. You're okay. It's not.
Belong in there. I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we...
Dog eating chicken poop. And there's the sheep assisting the chickens to get the dog food.
Are you happy, Kermit? I am too.
Oh, down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh.
Is this the hat?
No, you jumped over these double big.
Good. Well done, human. Now, fetch me a carrot.
No, back up.
Let's go.
Good morning.
Carinha dela.
Ai, meu Deus do céu.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Let it go, baby.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Potato.
Can you get out? Bro. Yo! We making this a
Move.
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
This.
Yola. Try to. This is so special. You have no idea how special this is.
Damn it.
Daughter.
Oh! I got the Seems to be yours, so.
Careful.
babosa.
Córrele, cierra la puerta ahora. Close the door.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Be careful.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
Good.
Skorpies mag nie koekies eet nie. Ooh, kyk nou net daar. Is jy 'n bok?
What? What is going on?
No, you're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
He's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Oh my god. Oh.
Be careful.
Wait, do the thing. Oh my god.
Those were her hands. Bless you, 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 bless you.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Are you just living your best life, Neil Brown, for the chickens?
Let's go.
Mother loves swinging on the swing.
See ya.
Good morning.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh! Get away from my water.
Huh?
Who is it? Damn! What?
What are you doing?
Arguing over that.
Let me.
Oh.
Hey.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Oh, you found your moo!
Good boy.
He's pooping again. You are a fox. Funny.
Hey. Hey!
She's like, hi.
No, you jumped over these double big.
Turkey. God help me.
Okay. Bye, donkey. Bye, Newt.
Dang!
You got it. Penny's excited.
Oh. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Arguing over that.
Let me.
Oh.
Hey.